Alright guys, I've got some of this Liberty Civil Defense 45 long Colt 78 grain 1800 FPS, and out of a 5-inch barrel it does absolutely achieve that. I've got some of this left. Here it is again. Big nasty hollow point. Not quite as big as some of the Liberties. Use Starline brass. But I have some of these left, and so I have some bowling pins, and I'm going to shoot this one. This one has been shot. I'll show you there's some holes. There's some hits over here. You'll see them. But I've got a sticker that has not been hit in this direction. I've got a sticker here. I'm going to aim for that, and we're going to see if this thing exits, what it does to the bowling pin. So I'm going to get you set up on a tripod, and we're going to get started. So here's our bowling pin as we found it. And let's get it up on the table and take a look-see. Zoom out a little bit. Alright, so I aimed here, and it definitely hit low. If we go out the back side, 180 degrees from that, I think that bulge is that Liberty. So it didn't exit, I don't believe. But it did knock the snot out of that pin. It definitely shoots low. By the way, that was at like 3 yards. And I'm aiming right here. So it definitely shoots low out of my 454. But anyway, shoot a bowling pin with Liberty Civil Defense, see what it does. So, hope you enjoyed it, guys. Thanks for watching. Gonna shoot the bowling pin with the Magnum Research BFR, chambered in 500 JRH. This is the 1200 FPS, 1400 foot-pounds of energy load. This is a hand load. I'm shooting right for the approved plastic-coated logo next to the sticker. Let's see what happens. Woo! Wow! So the Liberty Ultralight knocked this off the table, and it was just there. The 500 JRH knocked it down range almost to the 7-yard line. So it's at about 6 yards off of the table. So let's, I'm going to zoom out just a little bit, dig this thing up, and see what I got. So, again, I shot a little low. Maybe it's me. There's my entry. 180 degrees. I still see no exit, which is really scary. So that big 500 JRH 440 grain hard cast did not exit the bowling pin, but it sure did knock it for a wallop. So exit wound would have been somewhere down here. It definitely did not exit, but it did knock it for a wallop. So anyway, knocked it almost 7 yards. Fun.